million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip with our good friends over there, Reshine Hair. So y'all know how I do human hair. I always get this disclaimer. We will work with a company once and see if we like them. Well, not once. We'll work with them usually 2 or 3 times to see if we like them. If we do, we'll put them in a rotation. If not, I'm gonna tell you they trash. We never hear from them again. A bunch of companies done bit the dust that way. Reshine Hair is not one of those companies. I absolutely love them. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as the details, because I'm not sure what's in this box. All I do is take it out of shipping packaging because I want to do everything with y'all. All right. I see 180 density and 26 inches. Oh shit, and it's straight. Okay, so not only they sent the wig, they also sent some eyelashes and some stocking caps. Oh yeah, well, I can't lie. We just had a cold snap here. I was about to say this hair is making me sweat and I ain't even put it on my head, but we are in the middle of a cold snap in the South, so let us hope. The hair is absolutely gorgeous, but from Reshine Hair, it always is, y'all. This is 26 inches long. Okay, let's look at the cap construction. Right. Y'all, this wig right up my alley. This wig is a 4x4. Okay. So you get the band already sewn in here for you to adjust as needed. And then in the front, you get a 4x4. Now this is supposed to come with some pretty like special lace that's supposed to be blendable and all that jazz. We gonna see. Here's a little sample of it. If I put it up on my hand. Okay. All right, we gonna see. Let me adjust this strap. Yeah, because that's gonna be way too big because it's on the biggest end. And people asking that, what size is your head? Girl, I barely know what size pants I wear. It's just if I can get in them. Okay, so I don't know what size my head is, but I know that that was too loose. That would have been too loose. Let us see if this works. Ooh. Y'all, that's gonna be pretty bomb sauce. Yeah, y'all, 26 inches long, and in my opinion, it ain't nothing like a, why I got this thing so far back on my head. Okay. Now 26 inches long, y'all keep in mind, I'm 5'5". Here's my belly button. It falls all the way down to my belly button. Y'all. And you can part it anywhere in that little 4x4 area. Okay, yeah, because I look like an alien right now. Let's cut off that little itty bitty piece of lace, decide which side I want to put this part on, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. service because I know this video is short as hell because y'all, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. Except adjust that strap. Y'all, no glue, no powder, none of that extra rigmarole that comes with it. And the hair itself, it's so beautiful and so soft. Of course, this is it straight out of the pack, but y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, I know I turned the camera the other way so you can get a feel for it. It's really long. This is some long hair. But now that we're in this cold snap, girl, and with this density, like I absolutely am in love with this wig. And I think there's nothing like a bone straight black wig in your arsenal anyway. I kept it as a middle part, but I showed you can shift it wherever you want to do in that 4x4. Y'all, as far as cutting off lace, like it was literally like a little slither. And that's what we came up with. No powder, nothing there. Okay, I just plopped it on so y'all could see. Y'all, and that looks really good to me. Reshine wigs actually makes one of my most favorite curly wigs because it is so full, it's so big. I absolutely love this wig. And now, y'all, I try to put a link up there if I remember. If not, look at the end, I'll put it. Y'all, now this is 1000% my most favorite straight wig. I 1000% recommend this one, y'all. That's why we keep Reshine in the rotation. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into hair. Maybe it's your auntie Renee. Maybe it's your uncle, I don't know. Who this gonna be? Sylvester. This is Sylvester. Slick Sylvester. Maybe it's him, whichever one. Y'all, you send them my way. And this Reshine wig, y'all, I'm almost speechless and I like to talk. We gonna get them right. This one is bomb.com. Bomb.com. And I think, I think by it being 26 inches long, you do need to get that 180 density so it don't look thin, because this is like perfect density, y'all. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.